This is going to be a review of this Hoover Vision Tech 9kg VTC 5911 NB condenser dryer. So here's what it looks like. You've got the one here, condenser. So that's what the condenser is, just down there. And you've got a nice big fence there for ventilation. Hoover logo, the lights on. The G10, I believe, or MR16 ones or two. Well, goodness, see the machine better. You've got the different drawing cycles there. And this is a 9kg machine, so yeah, this is just like King Smasher's Hoover that he used to have. Lint filter needs a clean, but I'm not gonna clean it today. It also has some warnings there. This is actually a Candy brushless motor, and then, like I said, the lint filters. Right, plastic door hinges are a bit cheap. You've got all different functions. You've got all towels, extra dry, cupboard dry, iron dry, wall dry, relax, 12, back is 40, 150, 120, 90, 75, 60, 45, 30, refresh. So yeah, you've got a delay start, you can have a delay start if you want. It's very nice and delicate. Feel sort of full delay start. You can have dry, fan, then end. So it's very good. It's a 9kg machine, and it's a good machine for anyone who's looking for a quality machine. This, I do believe, does have, yeah, that's glass. On my hot point, it's actually got plastic, so that's much better quality. But yeah, this is a very nice Hoover condenser dryer. That's my friend's dog, Buzz, which he's still a drink. So yeah, nice machine that is. Anyway, I'll be doing the review of the Bosch washing machine next.